Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken liver fry. Start by preparing your chicken livers. You'll want about 1 pound of fresh chicken livers. Carefully clean and trim any connective tissue or excess fat. Then, cut them into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Having all your ingredients ready, like your spices and aromatics, will make the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's build the flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it turns soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon each of fresh ginger and garlic paste, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Finally, add your dry spices, like half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, stirring well. It's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully place your cleaned and cut chicken liver pieces into the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Cook them over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even browning. You want them to be nicely seared on the outside but still tender on the inside. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can make the livers tough. Almost done. Once the chicken livers are perfectly cooked, season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a fresh touch, sprinkle with a handful of chopped fresh cilantro or a few sliced green chilies. Serve your delicious chicken liver fry immediately while it's still warm. It pairs wonderfully with rice, bread, or as a flavorful appetizer. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.